Maestro Sir Anton, guro't vlogger na Pilipino, tagahatid ng balita sa bayan ay totoo. Mga benepisyo ng guro, kanyang tinatalakay.
Sa video natin ngayon mga kamaestro ay pag-usapan at alamin naman natin itong 3-term school calendar for school year 2026-2027 or yun pong DepEd Order number 9 Series 2026. Ayan, so good news nga po mga kamaestro sapagkat sa pag-uumpisa po ng ating trimester ngayong pasukan ay meron na po tayong 3-term school calendar. Ayan, so alamin po natin isa-isa no, by month ano po yung mga activities ano po na meron po tayo ngayong darating na pasukan. Po natin ano po yung DepEd Order number 9 Series 2026 na ipinalabas po ngayon mismo, April 16, 2026, yun pong guidelines on the implementation of the 3-term school calendar in basic education curriculum. So, hindi na po natin isa-isayin yan. Punta na po tayo doon sa pinaka-topic po natin sa araw na ito or sa video natin na ito. Yun po yung school year or school calendar of activities ngayong school year 2026-2027. Ayan, so ito na po yan, yung Annex B. Ayan, Annex B ng DepEd Order na ito. 3-term school calendar activities or 3-term school calendar in basic education for school year 2026-2027. Of course, for the month of April, tapos na po tayo yan. Huwag na po natin isa-isayin yan mga kamestro. Dito na po tayo sa April 13 to 17. And we have here the 2026 National School Press Conference or NSPC. For April 18 to 22, the 2026 National Festival of Talents or NFOT. Then for April 25 to 30, 2026 Palarong Pambansa. For May 2026, we have here May 1, Labor Day, regular holiday, and end of 30-day Teachers EOSY break. Then for May 4 to 22, EOSY Intervention Program. May 4 to 29, Training Window for Teachers, School Heads, and Teaching-related Personnel, and Oplan Balik Eskwela. For month of June 2026, ito na po yung umpisa ng ating Term 1, na magsimula na sa loob po yan ng June 8 hanggang September 15, 2026 yung Term 1 po natin. For June 1 to 5, we have Brigada Eskwela and then enrollment period. Then for June 8 to 11, opening block, start of Term 1, start of mandatory learners health assessment, learners and parents orientation and other activities, start of testing window for BUSY assessments, CARLA, ARMA, PhilErie, etc., and gathering and submission of data needed for the new school year. Ang total number of class days natin for June is 16. Then, ito po yung continuation niyan. Independence Day, of course, June 12. June 22 to 26, PhilECD checklist for BUSY. June 23, DepEd's founding anniversary, flag raising ceremony and opening of activities. Then, June 24, DepEd's founding anniversary proper. For the month of July 2026, total number of class days is 23. July 3, we have here the end of mandatory learners health assessment. July 6, term 1, first teacher-made summative test. July 10, end of testing window for BUSY assessments. Then July 13 to 17, MFAT. July 20 to 24, National Federation SELG and SSLG election. And July 28, term 1, second teacher-made summative test. Now, for the month of August 2026, number of class days is 19. August 21, Ninoy Aquino Day, non-working holiday. August 28, Term 1 examination. And August 31, National Heroes Day, regular holiday. For the month of September 2026, September 1, we have here Term 1 examination. September 5, start of National Teachers Month. September 2 to 15, end of term block. And September 2 to 8, Aral Program Computation of Grades, Accomplishment of School Forms, and extracurricular activities. By the way, for the month of September, the total number of class days is 11. Sa Term 1 po yan mga kamestro. Now, for September 9, PTA meeting and distribution of report cards. September 10 to 11, INSET. September 10 to 15, Wellness Break of Learners, Guided Asynchronous Learning Experiences. And September 14 to 15, Wellness Break of Teachers. September 15, end of Term 1. For Term 2, ang Term 2 naman po ay sa loob ng September 16 hanggang December 18, 2026. Ayan, total number of class days for Term 2 for the month of September is 11. September 16, start of Term 2, start of testing window for NKE for grade 10 only. Then September 21 to 25, start of testing window for MOSY assessments. Now, for the month of October 2026, total number of class days is 22. October 5, culmination of National Teachers Month and World Teachers Day celebration. October 5 to 9, not for grade 10. October 7, term 2 first teacher-made summative test. October 19 to 23, end of testing window for MOSY assessments. And for October 29, term 2 second teacher-made summative test. For the month of November 2026, we have here November 1, All Saints Day, holiday po yan. November 2, All Souls Day, holiday ulit yan. And November 15, PAPT for Luzon and Vismin clusters. And for November 27, Araw ng Pagbasa. And November 30, Bonifacio Day, holiday po yan. Now, for the month of December 2026, we have here December 3 to 4. By the way, for the month of November, total number of class days is 19. Now, for the month of December 2026, total number of class days is 13. For December 3 to 4, term 2 examination. December 4, end of testing window for NKE grade 10 only. December 7 to 18, end of term block. December 7 to 14, oral program, computation of grades, accomplishment of school forms, and extracurricular activities. Then we have December 8, Feast of Immaculate Conception of Mary. So yan po ay holiday. December 15, PTA meeting and distribution of progress report card. Then for December 16, year-end activity. December 17 to 18, inset, wellness break of learners, guided asynchronous learning experiences. Now for December 18, end of term 2. December 19 to 31, year-end break, wellness break of learners and teachers. December 24, Christmas Day, holiday. December 25 is Christmas Day, regular holiday. December 30, Rizal Day, holiday. And December 31, last day of the year, special non-working holiday. Now, for the month of January 2027, yan po ay term 3 na salupuyan ng January 4 hanggang April 8, 2026. For the mayroon po siyang total number of class days na 20. For January 1, we have New Year's Day, of course, holiday. January 4, start of term 3. January 25, term of 3, first teacher-made summative test. And January 30, start of early registrations for incoming kinder grades 1, 7, 11, OSCYA, and transferees. And for the month of February 2027, total number of class days is 20. February 1 to 5, start of testing window for EOSY assessments. February 6, Chinese New Year holiday. February 15 to 19, not for grade 12. February 16, term 3 second teacher-made summative test. And February 26, end of early registration for incoming kinder grade 1, 7, 11, OSCYA, and transferees. Now, for the month of March 2027, we have total number of class days is 21. March 1 to 5, L not for grade 3. March 8 to 12, not for grade 6, and end of testing window for EOSY assessments. March 15 to 16, term 3 examination, para lamang po ito sa mga mag-moving up and graduating learners. For March 15 to 19, PIL ECD checklist for EOSY. March 17 to 23, computation of grades, accomplishment of school forms, and academic deliberation, moving up of graduating learners. Then for March 22 to 23, term 3 examination for other grade levels. Then October or March 24, 29, 30, and 31, end of term block. March 24, announcement of academic excellence awardees, moving up graduating learners. And then for March 24, 29, 30, and 31, computation of grades, other levels, accomplishment of school forms, and extracurricular activities. And then March 25, Monday, Thursday, holiday. March 26, Good Friday, holiday. And March 27, Black Saturday, holiday. Ayan, for the month of April 2027, so we have here total number of class days is 6. For April 1 to 8, end of term block. April 1, accomplishment of school forms and extracurricular activities. And then for April 2 and 5, inset. Then April 6 to 7, EOSY, right? PTA meeting and distribution of report cards. And end of term 3. Then for April 9, ayan, holiday. Then start of 30-day teachers EOSY break. April 19 to 23, 2027, NSPC. And then April 26 to 30, 2027, NFOT, or National Festival of Talents. For the month of May 2027, of course, wala na po yung school days kasi yan po ay break na po natin. For May 1, Labor Day, regular holiday. For May 3 to 7, 2027, palarong pambansa. For May 9, end of 30-day teachers EOSY break. So malinaw po yan mga kamaestro, mayroon pa rin po tayong 30-day teachers EOSY break for May 2027. Ayan. For May 10 to 14, start of EOSY intervention program. Then, start of training window for teachers, school heads, and teaching-related personnel. Then, for May 17, start of Upland Balik Eskwela. Alright? Then, for the month of June 2027, June 1 to 4, end of training window for teachers, school heads, and teaching-related personnel. Then, for June 4, 2027, end of Upland Balik Eskwela. Then, June 7 to 11, Brigada Eskwela, and enrollment period. Alright? So, yan po mga kamaestro ang atin pong school calendar, ayan, for this school year 2026-2027 sa pagsisimula po ng ating trimester system. Alright, so hopefully po ay nalinawan na kayo, ano po, sa mga mahalaga pong dates, ayan, at kailangan po nating abangan at maging pamilyar po tayo, aware dapat po tayo sa mga important dates po ngayong darating na pasukan for school year 2026-2027 at kasabay po yan ng pag-uumpisa, ano po, buena mano ng ating pong trimester system or yung ating pong 3-term school calendar. Alright, so kung may mga tanungan pa po kayo mga kamaestro, pwede nyo po yan i-comment po dyan sa ating pong comment section. Alright, so dito ko natatapos itong ating video ngayon mga kamaestro. Kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakapanood ng mga videos na na-upload natin katulad ito, yung mga updates pa rin about the DepEd, and other benefits sa mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka, always updated ka pag may mga bago tayong uploaded na videos.
So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig.
Once again, El Maestro, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!